Here's the app called Homie Updates from Friends. See what's trending with your friends. You never knew. AI finds new faves in the mix from all the best apps: Apple Music, Chess.com, DoorDash, Fleave, Pinterest, PricePick, Spotify, TikTok. So basically, you just see it's a social platform that allows people to see what their friends are up to online. You can see discoveries generated from your friends, select which friend you want to share with, and control which of your own links and signs are shown to others. So kind of, there is an app called Shelf in this same category where you just put on the digital shelf all your like Spotify music, Netflix shows, what you are watching, and then share it with your closest friends only. So not like with everyone. Uh, so here is Homie app, and you need to invite a contact. So for example, and this is the Homie invite code. Add Homie. Wait, look at this. So this is the invite code which you need to use to get access to the app. So that's kind of the idea. Or there is a QR code. Scan this QR code with friends to instantly connect on Homie.